How to fix YouTube history not showing problem. In this video, you will exactly know how to solve this problem. But first, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now open your YouTube app and you will find your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Just tap on it and you will find a gear icon in top right corner. Just tap on the gear icon and you will find some settings here. Scroll down until you find this setting, which is manage all history. Just tap on it and your Google account will open. Okay. Now you will find an option called controls. Just tap on this option and you will find two options here. The first one is include the YouTube videos you watch, include your searches on YouTube. If you want to save your YouTube videos history, just check this box, just tap on it and turn on. After that, it will ask, got it. Just tap on it. Now you can see this box is checked, which means your YouTube videos history will be saved. Now, if you want to save your YouTube search history, then you can check this box and turn on and tap on got it. And now you can see this box is also checked. Now your YouTube videos history and YouTube search history will show in your YouTube app.